How to fix warning, please back up your data and replace hard disk drive. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to resolve the error message that says please back up your data and replace your hard disk drive. This warning usually means your hard drive's health is failing, and the fix involves going into your motherboard's BIOS settings. The first thing that you need to do is figure out which BIOS key your system uses. When your PC starts up, your motherboard will briefly show which key you need to press to open the BIOS. The key varies depending on the brand. For Asus boards, it's commonly F2, delete, or F1. On some other systems, the BIOS key is F1 as shown during boot. If yours is different and you're unsure, you can always look it up in your motherboard's user manual. Once you know the correct key, restart your computer, press it repeatedly to enter the BIOS. After you're in, switch over to advanced mode and gives you access to more detailed system settings. Next, look for your storage configuration menu. It appears under PCH storage configuration, but the location or name might be slightly different depending on your motherboard. Inside the storage option, locate the Smart Self-Test setting. This is usually enabled by default. Highlight that option and turn it off. When you're done adjusting the setting, head to the Exit tab, choose Save Changes and Reset, then confirm so your system restarts. Keep in mind, disabling this warning doesn't actually fix the underlying problem, it only hides it. This message appears because your hard drive is likely failing. To protect your files, make sure you back everything up right away and plan to replace the drive as soon as possible. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.